So if there is some exaggeration in some inflation in the probability of type 1 error, this is so if you adopt the other kind of testing procedure, because these procedures are having many steps, and at each step you have some probability of type 1 error, and you don't know what exactly is the total probability of type 1 error because you have adopted so many procedures. So the simple thing to get reliable result is to adopt the ARDL type of methodology without worrying about the unit root and co-integration, but because you have to publish in the Journal of Environmental Sciences and they will need unit root and co-integration analysis, you can do it. But if you want to get reliable result, whatever is done by what you can do by ARDL kind of analysis, that is sufficient. This basically in unit root, I have shown you without having co-integration testing, we have reduced the probability of type 1 error. And in stationary, there is no solution in co-integration analysis. They don't know what to do. But we have reduced the probability of spurious regression in that case as well. So we can achieve our objective of having a valid regression without worrying about co-integration. But look, these were quite simple data generating process. You may have the process like yt is equal to alpha plus beta yt minus 1 plus epsilon. You may have intercept in that. If you have intercept, the probability of spurious regression will also increase further. It will go to 99% instead of just 80%. And in stationary case, it will also go up. But if you adopt the ARDL kind of methodology, it will take care of the those variables as well. But if you are going to unit root and co-integration analysis and you have stationary case, you absolutely have no solution, and whatever you are presenting, you don't have any reliable idea that what is the probability of type 1 and type 2 error in this kind of analysis. So how to build the model out of an ARDL, we already have listened this. This is having further beauty that I have explained, I guess, yes, day before yesterday. Basically what happens, the ARDL kind of model is encompassing many theoretical models, and you can test the restrictions and you can ultimately come up with a model which is having consistency with data and which is having consistency with the sum of the theories. And this is you are not betting on any primary theory, but you are starting with a model which is having a group of theories encompassed in, and then you are asking the data to filter out and to tell you what theory is valid. If you need, I can repeat that exercise, but it's available in the videos, how to make the model out of ARDL. So you can follow that methodology, and inshallah, we are trying to make a textbook out of this stuff which is recorded here, and hopefully after a few months you will see this book in your hands. And last but not least, I'm so much thankful to the University of Lahore, the head department of economics, University of Lahore, and I will not thank Mr. Ghulam Ghosh because he is my student. So I'm so much thankful to the administration here. They facilitated me so much. It was my dream to have a book spanning around these ideas, and now I'm hopeful that after few weeks we will have a draft of the book in our hands. And I'm very thankful to all the listeners. You have consumed 4 days to listen to me. Very thankful to you as well. And I hope you will do econometrics in much better way in the future. Thank you very much.